When you live in a place as warm, vibrant, and naturally sunlit as Sugar Land, your home should take full advantage of the beautiful Texas light. One of the most effective ways to brighten your interior spaces and create an open, airy atmosphere is by installing picture windows. These large, fixed-pane windows are designed to showcase outdoor views while boosting natural light, and they're becoming a top choice for modern Sugar Land homes. Here's why picture windows stand out as the best option for homeowners wanting brighter rooms and a more spacious feel. Unmatched natural light for every room. Picture windows are built with expansive, uninterrupted glass panels that allow sunlight to flood your home throughout the day. Whether you're enhancing a living room, dining area, or entryway, picture windows instantly make the space feel more open and inviting. In a city like Sugar Land, where sunny days are plentiful, this natural light can dramatically transform the look and feel of your interior. Bright rooms appear larger, cleaner, and more cheerful, making your home not only more aesthetically appealing but also more enjoyable to live in. Beautiful views of Sugar Land's scenic outdoors. From serene lakeside neighborhoods to tree-lined suburban streets, Sugar Land offers plenty of beautiful outdoor scenery. Picture windows allow you to enjoy these views year-round without obstruction. Because they do not open or close, the entire glass surface becomes a frame for the outdoors, almost like a living piece of artwork on your wall. Whether you're overlooking your backyard garden, a sparkling community lake, or a stunning sunset, picture windows enhance your connection to the outdoor environment and give your home a more luxurious feel. Energy efficiency for Texas heat. Sugar Land homeowners know how intense the Texas heat can get, especially in the summer. Many are surprised to learn that picture windows can actually help improve a home's energy performance. Since they do not have moving parts, picture windows create a tight, secure seal that prevents air leaks. When you choose energy-efficient glass options, such as low-E coatings, double or triple panes, and insulating gas fills, you reduce heat transfer and keep indoor temperatures more stable. This means your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard, helping you save on monthly energy bills while keeping your home comfortable. Versatile style for any home design. Picture windows work beautifully with all types of Sugar Land home styles, from modern and contemporary residences to traditional and transitional designs. Their clean, simple lines blend seamlessly into any aesthetic, making them an ideal choice for homeowners who want a timeless look that won't go out of style. They're also incredibly versatile. You can install a single large picture window for a dramatic statement or pair them with operable windows for added airflow and visual interest. Many homeowners place them above sliding doors, next to entry doors, or alongside casement or double-hung windows to create custom window walls. A smart way to boost home value. Upgrading to picture windows not only improves your daily living experience but can also increase your home's resale appeal. Buyers appreciate bright, open spaces, and picture windows offer exactly that. Their energy-efficient features, durability, and modern appearance make your home more desirable in the competitive Sugar Land market. Low maintenance and long-lasting durability. Another major advantage of picture windows is their low-maintenance design. With no moving parts, there's less wear and tear over time. Cleaning the smooth, wide glass panes is simple, and modern framing materials like vinyl, fiberglass, and aluminum offer excellent durability even in Texas weather conditions. For busy Sugar Land families, this means more beauty with less upkeep. Ready to brighten your home with picture windows? Whether you're renovating, building, or simply exploring options, picture windows are an investment that enhances natural light, improves energy efficiency, and elevates the beauty of your living spaces.